time for math. Right now, you're going to watch me and work with me, and I want you to answer questions with me. Afterwards, you'll have a page in your book you can work on, or you can go to Happy Numbers. Today, we're going to talk about one more, okay? One more. And I have my rods out. Don't get your rods out. I want you to pay attention to what I'm saying. But if you want to get your rods out after, that would be okay. All right? So what's this rod? That's the 2. Let's put it up here. So if I have a 2 rod, and I'm going to write it, 2 plus 1 more. It's hard to see that white one, but it's there. 2 plus 1 more equals, what rod should I be getting out? There it is. 2 and 1 more makes 3. Nice job. Now, let's do this. Let's start with the 3, right? 3 plus 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals, what do you think that's going to equal? There's the purple rod. What's that number? 4. That's right. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Oh, I'm going to take this away now. So we'll start with 4. And we're going to say plus 1. 1 more. Here's my 1. It's really hard to see. I'll show you the back. Plus 1 equals, what's it going to equal? 4 plus 1 more equals 5. That's right, and that's the yellow rod. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Good. And take off the purple. Now I have how many? 5. And this is plus 1 more. Oh, I'm going to put it here. Plus 1 more equals, what's it going to equal this time? That's right, that dark green rod. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Oops. Good job. All right, so now what do we start with? Now we have 6 plus, you know it, 1 more. What will that equal? 6 and 1 more equals 7. Good job. And I'm looking for my black rod. It's always the hardest one for me to find. There we go. There we go. It equals 7. Beautiful. We're almost there. So now I'm starting with, 7. 7 plus 1 more equals, I hear you. I think I can hear you. You're saying it equals 8, Miss Rod. It equals 8. And there it is. It does equal 8. Good job. Now we're going to start with 8. 8 plus 1 more equals, what would that equal? Getting out my blue rod. That's how many? That is 9. Oh, we're up to almost our last one. 9, there's the 9, plus 1 more equals, what will it equal? That's you right. It equals 10. Isn't that pretty cool? It's like counting. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 and 1 more would be 4. Look how it just goes up by 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's pretty neat how it works. And it works like that with even huge numbers. Are you ready? Let's try some small ones and then we'll get bigger. So 2 plus 1 more equals 3. 2, 3. That's how we count, right? What about 9 plus 1 more? 9, 10. That's right, 10. What if I said 16. When you count, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's right. 16 and one more is 17. Very good. What if I said 52? 52. When you count, what comes after 52? 52, 53. So 52 plus one more equals 53. It's the coolest thing. Just one more. All right. So this is your paper today. Only one page. You got this. It's on page 85. And it says to count the objects. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted them. It's all they said. Don't write anything. Count the objects. So I did. Then it says draw one more. All right? So I need one more balloon. Let me do it this way and then I'll show you. All right, so there. So I drew one more. So I have 4 and one more. Then it says count and write how many. What is 4 and one more? 4, 5. So in this box, I would write short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5, wears a hat. Now some of you, that's enough, but some of you might say, oh, I know the equation for that. Miss Rudd said there were 4 balloons, right? 4 plus, how many did I make? 1 more. There's my 4 plus 1, and then equals, and how many do I have now? 5. So I'm going to write that number sentence. Now, boys and girls, that's what we call extra. Parents, if this is enough for your child, you do not need to take it the rest of the way. If we were in class, I would be differentiating the instruction. The most important thing is that they begin to understand the concept of one more. If this is really kind of tricky, lay out a few objects. Only up to 9. Lay out 3 and say, if I put one more, how much would that be? See if they can do it without counting it. If they need to count it, then that's the level they're on, and we'll just go from there. So as you can see, I'm trying to meet lots of levels. Now, that paper there is not going to take very much time at all, so you can get out your rods. You can write the equations if you'd like. I'll tell you, Xylexis kind of did something just like this yesterday, even before I got to it. So she wrote the equations for all the combinations of 10. You didn't have to. It's all about what you're ready for and how exciting it is. And I think math can be very exciting for many children. So do the page. If your child is ready, get out the rods. You can explain it a little more. If they've got time and you want to go back to happy numbers, the happy numbers is more right on their level, so it's a good thing to do. I hope you have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.